1977 FJ45. This was originally purchased here in Lethbridge, Alberta. It boasts the factory 6-cylinder. This is a 2F inline 6. This thing currently runs and drives. Typical front fender rust and running board. Other than that, very solid truck, very straight truck. It's even got the full bed floor. A little bit of rust in front and behind the inner wheel wells. Check out this interior. I have not done anything yet. This came out of a private collection. Still got a little dust on it. OEM AM radio. 98,000 original kilometers. This thing sits on Old Man Emu springs. It's got a 2.5-inch lift. Check this out. Even the door cards are solid. Dash has a couple cracks in it. Headliner is missing.